Hello everyone. So in this video, we're gonna talk about something new, and we will be sharing little life hacks which I have experienced throughout my life, and I'm also learning. And I thought, why not share it with everyone else? Because if we just do coding and do not learn something new, then maybe you will not improve that much. Like hard work also requires smart work, and also I will want to give you some more insights, deeper look into the world, and what are my experiences. So this types of video will be also uploaded throughout this channel and in the course of this channel video, so you can also see them and also get some little type of motivation and also learning. So the first video of this series should always be on this topic. This topic is on my mind for a long time and I want to make a video on this. I thought to write a book on this, but because I cannot, I'm not that good writer or anything, but I have a lot of content. But in this video we're gonna narrow it down to a very small video, but we're gonna understand this topic, and this heading is also given by me. I don't find this topic anywhere else, but I think that this topic or this point you have seen every time in your life, but no one's actually talk about it. So we're gonna talk about this in this video. So let's start. So the point we're gonna discuss today is 0, 15, 30, 45 procrastination. Now you might be thinking, what is this? So see, the first question is, what is this? And the main point of this topic is, if I want to define this procrastination, we always think that whenever we are doing some work, or not work actually, when we are taking some rest, we are taking some movie, like seeing some movie, or like doing anything, watching, like talking to your friends and anything, we always count on the time that okay, now 5 minutes are left, then we'll go. 10 minutes are left, but when we go. But you always round it out to 12 o'clock or like a 15, 30, 45. What I mean by this is, maybe you have seen that now it's like 12:35 and you thought you have some work to do, and what you'll say to yourself is, maybe I'll start at 12:40 or 12:45. Why? Because whenever there's a four quadrants, as you can see, it's 0, 15, 30 and 45, and you always try to start the time at the nearest quadrant starting point. I do this often, a lot of time, and I hope everyone also do this. If you you also did this, you can mention on the comment box. And the main point to see in this problem is, we waste a lot of time just to start at the correct point. We want that okay, we just wait or just sleep for 5-10 minutes, or we'll get up at 11, or we'll get up at 11:15. We'll never say we'll get up at 11:05. I have not seen anyone saying that. So this is the main procrastination we're going to talk about today. And why is this a problem? The main thing that this is a problem is, small wastages can lead to large wastage in the long term. So as you have seen, if you just waste 10 minutes for 10 times, if you take 10 rest maybe, then it will lead down to 1 hour. Then or 10 minutes. So why do you have to wait so much time? 6 times, sorry, it will lead to 60 minutes. But the next thing is, time is the only asset we get every morning. If you're a student, or if you're anyone, maybe you get a salary after 1 month, or because if you are a beginner, you are not having any income, but maybe you are only having the commodity which you have is time. So don't waste it. The next thing is, switching between too much tasks can lead to, you cannot concentrate on one. Which I mean by this is that if you work for some questions or some task for 1 hour, and then you switch to some another thing, then you switch on some another thing, then you cannot go to the flow mode. You cannot go to the mode in which you can work for a longer time. If you switch the time, and also if you think that okay, I'll start after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then that time will add up. So don't do that thing. Okay. The next thing is, why we fall in this loop. So why we think that this loop, we try to do this often again. We don't want to work because work is hard. Actually it is hard. And next thing is, we will be wasting 5 to 10 minutes which will call us no harm. In the micro, we think that okay, wasting 5-10 minutes is not big deal, waste it. We don't have to waste it. But because if we gather it up, it will form a very large chunk of our day. There's also one more app which can track your daily mobile habits. You can see that maybe you can watch Instagram or YouTube or WhatsApp a lot of time. You don't realize that much, but you can track it down also. we don't have a list of our work to do. This is the most important thing you can do in the starting of your day. I will also make a separate video on this. But what you can see is, because we don't have a list to start with, what you often try to do is you often try to take rest and try to think what we'll do in the next task, in the next hour what will start. So you will all, like, you can work for half an hour and then you'll think that okay, now I'll take some 15 minutes rest and then I will start my new task again. And thus you will actually be don't having a clear mindset what you have to do next. So this will also cause a lot of wastage of time. So now in the end we have to discuss how to prevent this and not like how to make this phenomena or this procrastination not happen to you. The simple way is to just do it now. Whenever, like, don't think over the 5 minutes or 10 minutes you have, just start it now. Just ask your mind that when I have taken that path in which I have started my work at, let's assume, 11 o'clock or 11:15, whether that is beneficial or starting it at 11:05 is beneficial, because it will eventually take you 5-10 minutes to get in the zone also. You don't actually just sit on the question and just start, or sit on the task and start. It will take you 5-10 minutes to open the setup, then make your PC on and everything out, like bring a water of like glass of water for you and everything. It will take you 5-10 minutes. But if you start at 11:15 only, then it is the high time. Okay. The next thing is, don't look at the clock too often and try to set up an alarm. This is the method I use, because I generally pick up my phone and then check out the comments, messages. But the best thing is just set an alarm for 1 hour, 2 hour, and just put your mobile phone aside. Don't look at the clock anytime. And then whenever it will be 1 hour, your alarm will turn on, and then it will be beneficial for you. Take proper sleep and also write a journal for your daily goals. All these will help you in the long term to save more time and become a better person. We'll discuss more on this topic, and future videos will have a lot of exciting topics. So stay tuned on this video series. I'll see you next one. Keep coding. Bye.